Excuse me,
Yes,
do you
please.
like meat?
Oh well, obviously I like meat.
Oh, why do you like meat?
The main reasons I like meat because firstly, I like meat because it contains some vitamins like vitamin A and E. Secondly, I like it for its taste. Its taste is very good. And thirdly, I like meat for because it makes us strong. It makes a strong body. So that's why I like meat.
Okay. Do you like food?
Oh, I definitely like food because
Why do you like food?
there are many reasons for liking my food because fruits are firstly foods are very helpful for our health and it contains vitamin that vitamins are used for diseases some protect some diseases and it protects and vitamin C protects us from scurvy so that's why food.
Last question for you. That do you like fish?
Oh, yes, I definitely like fish.
Why do you like fish?
I like fish for many reasons. Because firstly, I like fish for its taste. Secondly, for that it causes vitamin A. And thirdly, fish the oil of the oil that contains fish. This oil makes us strong and makes us and gives us a good health. So that's why I like fish.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us.
Welcome.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.